Big day today, got bikes coming in, bikes going out, let's do it. About an hour into it, and there's an end to the container.
Barely.
Right back there.
We made it.
One row left to go, baby.
There you go. Whoa.
Hi.
Hi. Man, how are you feeling?
It's kind of chilly in the shade.
Sore.
My forklift doesn't even have air conditioning. What is this?
If you guys want some fitness tips out there on your e-bikes, trying to lose weight, stay in shape, you can't shower unless you get your fitness in, unless you get a bike ride or workout in. I guarantee you, if you follow that rule, you're either gonna get really fit or you're gonna stink. So the alternative is bad. If you don't want to be smelly and fat, you gotta get your workout in and your shower. Guys, this is the end. It's the end for us in this container.
Winter.
Who knew that moving 40,000 pounds of bikes could be so much fun? If anybody wants to join us on the next one, a little party in the container, let us know. Ben, how did it go?
Pretty good. We unloaded really quick. Some of these bike boxes are extremely heavy, so luckily we had a team of 7, 8 people hustling hard. We got done in about an hour. That's 170 boxes in an hour, which is really good work. So I'm pumped for these guys, and I'm pumped for you guys because bikes are coming shortly.
1, 2, 3,